What's up guys, for today's video we're going to put to the test the world's first foldable hammock chair in a way. I saw it online and I ordered it. I thought it's going to be really easy to set up, but I got this thing out of the box. It looks like this, not even inside of this bag. I think the only bag they give me is one of these to kind of maybe wrap it around and put it all together later. Every seat feature, that's what it's going to look like once we set it up. So let's try to set it up. Let's see if it's going to be pretty easy. Or okay, looks like oh, I gotta match up all these holes. As you can see, so far it's going to take me quite a while. I wish it was just unfolded and ready to go, but you will have to match up every single notch over here and you'll have a problem, like one will not line up for some reason. You see what I'm saying? I hate these things. There you go. You really have to fidget with them till everything's set up the proper way. Okay, now what do we do? There you go. So once you figure it out, hopefully it'll be a lot easier. But there's the legs. I know why it didn't come assembled already, but that's what you'll have to do, I guess. Am I putting it correctly? I think. There's a little notch, it pops in. There you go. Quick close up, you see, quick close up, you see, this gonna go like in all the way here. I guess you turn it to take it out. Cool, I guess that's it. We put one end over here, one end over here. Hopefully it does not matter which way. Yeah, I have pillars on both sides. It is sunny, so we'll see if the umbrella will work pretty good. I think the actual setup will be difficult for the first time out of the box, but hopefully after that it'll be a lot easier. Man, this is so annoying to put it back together, I'm telling you. I might just skip on the umbrella. I can't screw the bolt back in. Anyways, there's your portable hammock. Let's try to sit on it, 230 pounds. Also I'm 6'7". Whoa, kind of shaky and wobble a little bit, but I guess it holds me up. You know what, that umbrella could be really good to figure out how to set it up. But yeah, this is kind of nice. I might put it by the pool, especially for a shorter person. Would be way more comfortable because look at my legs. If you're 6'7", it might be too much. I do love this pillow side here. Looks like there's one on that side too, so you could easily lay on both sides. This side here, like a regular hammock, doesn't really work too much. You know, you can really cocoon yourself by cover this up just only a little bit. It's kind of cool, but there you go, a little chair hammock. I guess it's comfortable to lay down like that, but again, I'm just too big for this a little bit. If you're on the tall side like me, you might have to pass on this, but it is comfortable. Okay, let me sit like that. Whoa, it's a little bit slanted. I think this is what this for. If you spread it out a little bit, you can sit maybe like that too, like on a hammock. Nope, it doesn't work like that. On a regular hammock you could really sit like this. This is not the best. Actual hammock is a little bit more comfortable. I think this is the only way you can be comfortable. But yeah, definitely very unique gadget. It looked super cool online, but in real life, as you can see, let me back up the camera. In real life it was a little bit of a pain to set it up. Now how do I fold it back together? so maybe I'll just have to break this up. That's a pain. Especially annoying is these things. You almost need pliers to take them off. It's so painful. Let's see if the other one is a lot lighter. Oh, wow. So these things go separately. Now you can push this together, and I guess each leg's gonna go somewhere into here. So guys, I'm not trying to be negative, but I was actually expecting for it to have a folding chair. This right here is break apart chair. This is not the same. Break apart chair and folding chair, two big different things, because whenever you have to break apart chair, it's gonna take you lots of time to do so. Putting everything back together also take forever. There you go. And you stick umbrella into here. So just one of those examples. Whenever you see something looking so good online, I mean, it's still awesome. It's one of a kind. Step forward. I like it. Foldable chair. I mean, break apart a hammock. First one ever. But there is definitely a lot of improvements to be made. I wish it was just foldable without any breaking apart. And I guess this thing, I'd have to zip it in somehow so it doesn't slide out, and umbrella too. So that's my experience with these gadgets. So let me know in the comments below what do you think about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. When you do set it up like that, be careful, don't tilt it to the side or it will slide out. Also, it does not look that good either whenever it's all packed away.